This is a WAI wireless charger. The wireless charger can charge for mobile phone, Apple Watch and AirPods. 7.5-watt fast charging mode for iPhone. 15-watt fast wireless charging, suitable for Huawei. 10-watt wireless charging for Samsung. Powerful magnetic fixed, and the charging base with anti-slip silicone design, so that the charger will not move or flip. To ensure that your phone is protected when charging, touch the sensor switch light. Charging status intelligent indicator light. The base shows blue when the phone is charging, and the blue-green light when detecting foreign objects. When the phone is not charging, the green light is always on. In order to prevent your sleep from being affected, you can turn off the lights on the wireless charger base. This is a Potensic T25 drone. With an aluminum silver carry case, you could bring it outdoor conveniently. Headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to take off or land function make easier access to kids or beginners. 2 Kelvin camera with 120-degree FOV and 75-degree adjustable wide-angle helps to capture clearly photos and more stable videos. Wi-Fi camera provide you faster, but clearer image transmission. Equipped with dual GPS, drone will stand still in the wind and automatic return home when it is with low power or weak signal or loss. Equipped with dual GPS, drone will stand still in the wind and automatic return home when it is with low power or weak signal or lost. Follow me mode and dual GPS free your hands, while Potensic drone automatically follows you, simultaneously capturing all the videos and photos. Besides, the T25 drone will fly as you want once customized flight path function activated. 2 modular battery 1000 mAh and up to 300 meter control range enable you to go farther and see broader.